So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anil and you are watching the Creative Junction. So in this video we are gonna make this amazing looking cloud lamp which you're seeing on your screen. And yeah, basically we're gonna make this lamp and we'll use it wherever you want. You can use to decorate your room, your home, and anywhere you want. It's all depend upon you. And yeah, basically we are only gonna make this one. So let's get started, guys. So first thing first, सबसे पहले we need material, and for that purpose we need a glue gun, some glue sticks, and another thing we need is some LED lights you use in Diwali for decorating your home. And the next thing we want is 2 or 3 bottles, just plastic bottle, a single cutter. You can use any bottle and some cotton. So these are the things we are gonna need for making this amazing cloud lamp. So let's move to the next step. Our first step is to make a structure of a cloud using these bottles. So I'm gonna make a basic structure of that particular cloud. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach these 2 bottles together to make a big size cloud. So yeah, basically this is the whole structure. So we are gonna make some 2 cuts on each of the bottles so that we can insert these LED lights inside the bottle. So yeah, here I'm doing it, and be careful when you are using a sharp tool like this cutter. So see how am I doing. So yeah, this part is done, and now it's time to insert these light inside these bottles. So I'm gonna carefully remove it, and now I'm gonna put it inside the bottle. Follow each and every step as I am doing, and you can make your one by yourself. So watch carefully till the end. And now you can see I'm inserting the light from the end, and slowly you can insert whole the light inside the bottle. Yeah, basically this is the simple method to do this, or you can just insert the whole light at a single time, but that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna do this like this way, and the similar thing you have to do with the other bottle. So I'm gonna do this without showing you guys. You can see that in your screen in 3, 2, and 1. Another 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Another 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Here you go, guys. So I have done these work completely. So let's move towards the next step, which is covering these clouds or this structure with cotton so that it looks like a cloud. So what I'm gonna do, applying just little bit of glue gun or glue, hot glue, and then I'm gonna apply this cotton on this particular bottle. You can apply according to your choice how you are gonna apply this cotton according to you. It's all depend upon you that how you want to make your cloud, how you want to look your cloud. I just want it to look a normal looking cloud, so I'm just gonna paste it everywhere, and it's all depend upon you how you gonna paste these cotton. I'm just gonna apply some of each ends and some of the other ends. It's all depend upon you. So basically what you have to careful about that is when you are applying the cotton on the lids which we have cut in the starting, be careful that that lid don't close or don't get fixed at that point, because we have to take out the wires of the LED lights. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Here I'm gonna take out the LED light wires so that I can bring light up these clouds. So here are the wires, and similarly I'm gonna take out the another wire. I'm doing just a little bit settle down things over here, and yeah, here's the another one as you see. So yeah, basically this is done, and now these wires are ready. So now I am gonna make a mechanism to make it hanging cloud lamp. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna add some string over there, And as you can see, I have bind it with the help of a string, and this string is connected to these wires, making a triangle, which is now very strong to hold it in air. So yeah, basically this is how it's look like. You can see there's a knot, and these wires are binded or knotted with this string. So yep, I'm gonna use this string to hang it over to my roof, and yep, then I'm gonna light it. So here it is ready, and I have hang it to with my roof, you can see that. And now I'm gonna light up it in 3 2 1, but first I have to close my room lights. So now in 3 2 1, here we go. So as you can see, it looks so amazing and so dope. You can use it to decor your room, your home, and even you can use it for your Diwali decoration. As you know, it's India versus China time, so you have to avoid Chinese product. So make your own cloud lamp at your home and decorate your home as much as you want. So yeah, basically this is the whole video. If you like the video, please drop a like, subscribe and comment down below, and tell me if you have any suggestion regarding to my videos and any feedback you have. So see you guys in the next episode, and till then, bye bye, take care, see you, sayonara.